Ofcom announced the pricing of its previously announced underwritten public offering of 22,665,000 shares of its common stock, 12,835,000 pre-funded warrants to purchase common stock in lieu of common stock to certain investors and warrants to purchase up to 71 million shares of its common stock. The offering is priced at 36 cents per share. On October 15, 2018, the company announced that it has commenced a public offering of its common stock and warrants. The offering is structured as a public offering of securities through the issuance of warrants and common stock at a combined public offering price of 75 cents per share. The underwriting discounts and commissions are expected to be significant. The pre-funded warrants have an exercise price of $0.001 per share. The common warrants have an exercise price of 75 cents per share, are exercisable immediately, and will expire 5 years following the date of issuance. All of the shares of common stock, pre-funded warrants and accompanying warrants being offered in the offering are being sold by EVFM.